Alright, so here's the new controller for the Xbox Series X. I guess it's probably not that new. New to me anyway. So I got a controller with my Xbox Series X that I got today. So I got a second controller, and those aren't easy to come by. Those are easy to come by. So I went ahead and got a second one so we can play games against each other. So it's got the description of all the buttons on the back. Close-ups of things. Let's open it up. So it's got the same kind of stadium presentation that the Xbox did. And it's got a nice feel to it. It's got a nice texture on the back here. Uses AA batteries. It comes with 2 alkaline AA batteries, which is fine for me. I'm just going to be using these Eneloops, and I've got a bunch of these for rechargeable batteries. I'll just use these. And underneath, it's got the instructions. Tells about how to access it from the app and so forth. Power on, power things on. That's a good idea always. It's got the warranty information, regulations, and then it's got Xbox Game Pass with a code on the back for a 14-day free trial for Game Pass. I'm probably not going to get Game Pass because I play most of my games on my PC, but I'll be getting a few games for sure. And with the new controller, we'll be able to play against each other. That'll be fun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.